So Bitcoin did achieve all of the targets that I had shared with you of 26,500, 27,000 and 27,500. Congratulations to all those who listened. I mean, you can go back and watch all the videos. I have been sharing these targets over and over again with you. And now Bitcoin is sitting at 27,800, I think. And it has pumped a lot, and my expectations remain the same, but the support has changed. Now the support is not 25,500, it is actually 26,000. So it has increased, which means that support of Bitcoin is getting stronger, which means that there is a hope for a more upper trend on Bitcoin. But the picture is not clear. It just happened, and I need a bit of time for it to cool down, at least 7 to 8 hours, and after that I'll be able to analyze it again, and then I will be able to tell you that whether it wants to go up or down. Right now it just pumped and hit our targets. It's very difficult for me to tell you what will happen. I just need to see it to cool off a bit, and then I will be able to give you a clear direction on Bitcoin. And don't forget to attend the live at 1 p.m. Toronto time.